take a look at my beautiful plants.
Honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving?
Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and the kids are sleeping, which means it's time to do things that I normally couldn't do with kids awake. So today's thing is to tackle our patio. We actually added this sun cover to our patio because the playground was getting really hot for the kids. Summer is super strong right now here in Florida. We're in May and we've already felt 100 degrees, which is kind of wild. So the goal is to rearrange everything in the patio. I also have an update on my plants that started in my hydroponics and then were potted in the little, those little things. But now it's time to go ahead and actually plant them in these big, large pots that I got. And we're gonna put them in the front patio. But that is the task. All three are actually sleeping right now. So I'm going to tackle this as quickly as possible. So take a look at my beautiful plants. You can tell that the green beans are going strong. I have to kind of untangle them though because they're starting to tangle with each other. I bought a trellis to add to them. There's a couple of them that are growing really tall, and then on this side you can see these are just now starting to pop through. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and plant everything. Our peppers are going strong. These two peppers never really took off. And then these my son destroyed. So we're gonna transfer the zucchinis as well as the squashes, and hopefully we have some vegetables in the future coming. This is the shade cover that we got because it was just ridiculously hot back here, and then the play area midday was completely in the sun. So we're going to just rearrange everything, put all these toys somewhere so that it doesn't look like a hot mess. I'm going to change the table cover. This is the same table cover that I used for Cinco de Mayo, but I just placed it out here. But I do want to save it, so I'm gonna have to like clean it really well and then put it away. Hopefully it's salvageable. It rained quite a bit and you can tell that it got dirty.
Every hour of the day, it's a new day for a high, It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I feel it now. Every atom in my body feels okay. It's a new day.
All right, it is officially nice and organized. We have all their little balls in here, plus all their toys on the side. This is finally centered. I think that will work. And on this side, I have this little splash water that sometimes I put water in here, keeps them entertained for a bit. Now we're going to transplant these. I have my garden soil right here, and these are the ones that I got from Target. It's a 3-pack, or not from Target, from Costco. It's a 3-pack, and hopefully I'll be able to just have some zucchinis and stuff like that in them. They're big. It says that I can plant like a zucchini and things like that in a 12-inch. These are 14.5, so it should be big enough. This one, we're going to transfer one of my plants from the front in here. And then my peppers are still kind of small. I'm not sure what to do with them, if I'm gonna keep them here and then transfer them later on. we'll see. We'll play it by ear.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am is not what it seems, tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways, been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain, my heart delivers pain, and I got nothing more to say.
This is the trellis I had bought, but it's not gonna work. Clearly the pot is too small. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I might just exchange it for a round one. They had some round ones that might work for the zucchinis and squash, or the peppers for sure, but I don't know. Bummer. They have poles as well at Lowe's that I can stick, like this one, but they're like really tall. I might just do that so that it doesn't look all weird. And I think I'm going to, if I do that, I think I'm just gonna do 3 per pot, because I have 2 more over there and I want them to have extra room to grow and not be so squished, because the roots are gonna take over eventually all of this.
I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am is not what it seems, tangled up in dreams.
The next best course of action here. We're going to put 3 green beans. I had to put this stick for now because it got a little bent right here when I was separating it. So I want it to still have a little bit of support. The idea is to get some sticks like these, but really tall ones. That way they can just go upward. I ran out of dirt, which is a bummer. I have to go get some. And we're going to now transfer this one into a smaller piece of pot, the blue one. And then right here, we have all the extras that, once again, I ran out of dirt. I have to go get more pots and more dirt. Change of plans. I think we're just gonna keep it in here because it is pretty deep in there. I tried to take it out and the roots are way too big. I'd have to cut them, and if it's thriving, because this is a new growth right here, why disturb it? So I just have to find a way to put this inside away from the kids so that they don't mess with it. That's the hard part. As you can see, it is nighttime. But I ended up going to the dollar store to try to see if they had some sticks in the garden section. They did not, but they had these cooking sticks. They're bamboo skewers that are super long. I mean, look how long these things are. So I think I'm gonna use this to help these little green beans intertwine and then eventually change them.
Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go.
All right, I think that looks pretty good. Hopefully they'll keep growing. This one's super tall, as well as that one.
They say time is a healer, just you wait and see.
I wanted to show you guys an updated hydroponic garden. We have first here our basil. It is so cute. It is looking great. Over here we have our first cilantro. Look at that cute little leaf. Adorable. And then over here we have finally a tiny little mint coming through. This one took a really long time to germinate, but it's finally coming through. And these actually got a lot of algae. As you can see, it's green. I actually have to clean the tank itself. But we do have some oregano popping through over here. Let me take the lid off. There's a better view. Once again, this one has algae, so I don't know if this is gonna be a good oregano or not. I do know that I have to clean it, so that's gonna be a task. And then over here, you guys, look at this. The first lettuce. This was the only lettuce to thrive out of all of the lettuces that I planted. It is going strong. I love seeing the roots. Look at those roots. I mean, how amazing are those roots? It is gonna be a beautiful salad. But I'm gonna do it again. I got more of the pods, so I'm going to take these out, wash it inside, because it's time. You're supposed to do it every month. And hopefully we can start over and see more lettuce. I'm getting the hang of it. It's a learning curve, that's for sure. But that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very quick video. A lot of the times I really don't have a lot of time to do different things. I'm always cooking, cleaning, and changing diapers, and dealing with screaming babies. So today I finally had a little bit of time to actually change my garden. I still didn't even finish. I need to go buy more soil so that I can finish planting everything. I also need more pots. I need to see if Costco still has those pots. I'm not sure, because I bought those a while back. They were a good deal. It was like 3 for $15. I don't know if they still have them, so we'll see. But yeah, that was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like always, remember to dream big, be brave, explore life. Until next time. Mwah.